Girl, your brows is about to change. I'm just telling you. Oh, my southernness is coming out. I get excited. I sound more southern. I'm sorry. But these brows, I'm telling you, they are the bomb. I want, and you have to decide this for yourself if this works for you or not. But this product right here is changing my world at this moment. I like this. It's called Brow Glue. It's by NYX. It's something new. And if you want to see how I got these fabulous brows, just keep watching. Okay, this is my natural brows that you can see right here. Wow. This one's actually a little bit better than this one. This one has a little more sparseness here, and it's much harder to do, okay? Now, I do have them shaped from time to time and tinted and that kind of thing, so it's really good to go to someone who can shape your brows and get them in good shape that way. But this product here, I used it yesterday. I've only used it once, and I tried it on Facebook, like live for the first time. I was real impressed with it. It really lasted all day. Now, I've watched a lot of videos on it, and some people like it and some people don't. But this right here, I think is pretty cool. I like the way that it works. So, I've already taken it out of the package. This is what the package looks like right here. And then this is a picture of what it's supposed to look like. And this was the before, and this the after. Okay. Now, depending on how old you are, I'm 58 right now. This may or may not work for you. It worked for me. Okay. Mine are very sparse. See that? Come in real close. You can see right here that that's where I'm missing most of the hair. And then outward, you know, it thins out as well. So, let's try this. Now, I am going to use my brow pencil from Younique. I love this. It's got the spoolie on one end, and then this side here is retractable, and this is the color medium. It goes up and down. You see that? Yes. Okay. Now, I'm going to lay that down. I'm going to lay my glue down, and I am going to go ahead and comb through my brows, okay? I'm going to comb them up and over. What little that I have, we're going to do that. Now, let's take the glue. It is a little tacky, okay? So keep that in mind. It is a little tacky. It's a tiny, teeny, look, little wand. You can see, let me see if I can hold it up for you. You can see it's kind of gloopy, but not too thick. So I liked that. That way it works a little better for me. Let me get my mirror here. Now we're going to comb these straight up. So straight up, just like this. You know, everybody wants that feathered kind of look. Yeah, well, us older gals, we have to work a little harder to get that. But I really did like this yesterday. So basically, I'm just combing them all up, okay? Up, up, and up. Just so that I can get that feathered kind of look. Do you see? I'm not going to do this side. We're going to leave this side, and I'll do this one off camera. And then you can see the end result. So I let this set just for a few minutes. You can see where the sparseness is right through there. So I did let it set just for a few minutes so that it kind of is not as tacky. I can still feel it like it's wet. And so I left it for about, it says Instant Brow Styler. It says glue. So I'm thinking glue is going to be there, right? All right, so let this dry and I'll be right back. Right, let's do this. I am going to use this end of my brow liner. This is the color medium. This comes in 3 different shades. Now, what I'm going to do, this is retractable, see, and it's tiny. That's why I love it so much. Let me get just enough. There we go. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start at the beginning and make little hair-like strokes. So this is what I did. And what I like about this product is now that I've used the glue, the hair is going straight up. Can you see that? Can you see how it's going straight up? And so it's going to make it easier for me to kind of mimic hairs through here and kind of fill in where I need it. Now, the one thing you want to keep in mind, depending on how sparse yours are, you need to know exactly how far to come out. So here, I use my nose as a guideline. So I'm going to put a dot right there. Mine needs to come out at least that far. And then here is my arch. So my arch is going to be about right in there. Put a dot there. And then the tail of my brow is going to be way out here, okay? So I've got 3 dots now. That's how you can determine it. Use this as your guideline. Now let's come back in and let's do the little hairs going up. I really was impressed with this. Now, I like the fact that it's so easy to use, okay? And it kind of stays. You see the hair? Oh, girl, look at that. I ain't never had that before. I ain't. I'm from the South. Yep. From Alabama, I am. Now, I'm just going to draw the line like I normally would underneath here out to the tail. Now, keep in mind if you have hooded eyes, don't do too much of an arch here. We already had to have a lot of space here. I have hooded eyes, so I'm not going to create a huge arch. So keep that in mind. Now, I am going to finish coming through here and filling in and taking it outward. Here, remember that my little dot is right there. And I'm going to bring it back down to meet this. So I should have it just about right. Look at that. Now I'm going to come back a little bit more and draw a little line right under here, just to give it definition. Very light. Do you see that? Ooh, girl. I really like this. It's so fun to try new things. And it might take you a little practice, and that's okay. Now, if you get the clumpies in there, which you might until you learn how to, get it right, that's what a spoolie is for. And take the spoolie and kind of comb lightly through it. You're not trying to move anything, but you're just trying to smooth it out. And this part should be a little bit lighter than this part out here. So I'm going to come in and do a little more hair-like strokes like this. Oh, I think you will love this. It is so cool. I was real impressed with it yesterday. I really was. I was like, whoa. So this is the 3rd time I've used it, okay? I did it on ladies' night, and then I did it yesterday, and it stayed all day. So I'm really liking it. And some of the reviews I saw, they didn't like it. They were expecting it to really, really do some kind of miracle. For me, I think it looks pretty darn good. Pretty darn good. Now, I need to just bring it out just a little more right here. And I think I'll have it, y'all. I think I will. I think it's going to be nice. This is really, really, really cool. Okay. Practice makes perfect. Okay, so I'm going to do the other eye off camera, and we're going to come back and compare the two. Okay, so look at this side and look at this side. So, oh my gosh, what a difference. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, look, look, look. Oh my gosh, my brows look fabulous. They really do. Now, the only thing I would probably come back and do is take maybe a little highlighter if you wanted to, and you could come up underneath your eye just a little bit with a little light. If I can find a brush, here we go. I found one, a flat one. Okay, and come and put just a little light right there, just right underneath that arch. Just, I'm sorry you hear my dog eating in the background. He's in here with me. He has to be where I'm at. So, in other words, he would be crying in the other room. Okay, let me get off my foot. There you go. Let me get up close. What do you think? I absolutely love this stuff. So, if you haven't tried this, I want to say it was like 10 bucks. I mean, it's not that much. And I think you would love it. I think you would love it. If you have sparse brows, it's going to give yourself a way to mimic the hairs and it actually stay and stick, okay? That's what I like about it. And then after it, I mean, it's very touchable. So, and you can touch it up if there's, look at it, comb through it, and then, don't add any more of this. You only do this one time, okay? It's just, I would recommend you can either use like, well, you could use a pressed powder. If you don't like a pencil, get a little pressed powder, a little brown color, whatever. I would say match it to whatever hair color you have. Your real hair color. That's kind of sort of what I do. That's why these look so similar to each other. So keep that in mind too. Put a little concealer under here, brighten up your eyes, whatever you want to do, whatever makes you happy. That's what you do. Okay. So I appreciate you being here, and I would love for you to be back here. I'm only on here on Sundays, and I love to do very short tutorials for you, just quick and easy, things that matter the most, right? Our brows do matter. Yes, they do. So if you would please like and subscribe, I would love to have you here. Come back. And you know what? Click that notification bell too, and that way you'll get notified like every Sunday when I put something up new. All right, guys, go try this. You don't look like Groucho Marx either. I love it. I really do. I love it. It's really changed my brow game. All right. I want you to try it. Put it in the comments if you like this. And if you want to do you want me to do something else special for you, please put that in the comments and I'll see if I can work that in for you. All right. I'll see you guys later.